I bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular travel bags. I'm going to tell you which ones are good, what I like, what I don't like. We're going to take them head to head. We're going to shrink down this stuff in this suitcase right over here. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these bags. I've tested a lot of them. We've had some good ones, had some bad ones. These are probably 2 of my favorite right over here. So this one right over here is the Wfiia, W-F-I-I-A. And this one over here is going to be the Nicetree bags. Now, you're going to get 15 bags in here, and you're going to get, for this one right over here, you get 18 bags. So difference in bags, we're going to go through one at a time, and then we'll compare them, get this stuff shrank down in here. You'll be shocked what this will look like after we're done here. And then I'll tell you, kind of put them head to head. All right. So the Wfiia bags are up first right over here. You're going to get a medium that's 15 by 7 or 15.7 by 23.6. Then we have the small bag right over here. You'll see here, they have the directions right on there. Really made of nice materials. You don't have to worry about dust or water or anything getting in there. And then we have this large size right over here. And that's going to be 19.7 by 23.6. Comes with the pump right over here. This pump is rechargeable. It does come with a charger as well. Comes with a bag right over here, so you can take it with you traveling. And these clips right over here, which I'll show you in a second. We're going to use these to seal the bag. The Nicetree over here. So this is where these bags are going to look like right over here. You got a 20-inch bag right over here. We got a 24-inch bag. And then we have a 28-inch bag right over here. Material on this, really nice as well. We do have a ruler on this. It's kind of nice and clear. So let's get these going. We're going to use the medium-sized bags. We have 4 pairs of shorts here. And we're going to compress them down. Oh, before I forget, this Nicetree one does come with this nice little bag right over here. It does have a charger as well that comes with it. That's in the bag. And it is a little more compact USB-C charge right over there. So that is nice. So one of the big differences between these bags right off the bat that I want to kind of point out before we get the shoes in them are the way that they open right over here. So you'll see these right over here are long ways. These are this way. So this is like, I forgot what it is, like landscape. This is a horizontal. You could get these bags in any different sizes and combinations. I just got the 15 pack and the 18 pack. You're gonna get 6 each of these bags and then 5 of each of those. So let's get these in here. So this is what I got for shorts. We got 4 pairs in here. I like to just kind of open that up just like that and then put them in here just easily. So you're just gonna stuff it like that. And then we're just gonna take this. And you could I just like to do this. And at the very end right over here, just kind of push down. It's much easier to do on a table or a bed or something like that, but I just kind of want to show you up top right over here. Just want to make sure that's shut good. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this right over here, put it over here, just like that. You'll hear it's kind of like clipping. We want to make sure it's like a Ziploc bag basically. So we're going to put that right over here. Then we're just going to screw this cap off right over there. For this one right over here, we're just going to grab this right over here. All right. Put this in just like that. Try to get this open up just like that. These are super, super durable bags. You could tell we've used these a bunch. One of the things, we have the rest of the bags in there. So these do fold back up, which is nice. And we just keep them in the bag. You could just do whatever you want with them. All right. So we got these all zipped up. See, like that, nice and easy. All right. Just gonna take this one right over here. Same idea right over here. Again, it's much easier to do when it's like on the table. All right, so this is gonna be this one right over here. For these, you can like push down just like this for both of them. to kind of get some of the air out if you wanted to do that before compressing. You're just gonna pump this one on here, and then we're gonna grab this one right over here, and we'll kind of get them going at the same time. I would say this one, they don't really screw onto the bags necessarily. You just kind of hold them on top. So so both of these right over here, the nice one, you're just gonna hit here. The other one, you're gonna hit at the top. We're gonna try to get this going at the same exact time. And it speeds it up if you push down on them. So they go really quick. It takes like anywhere from like 20 to 30 seconds per se. I think we're kind of done here. All right, so this is kind of the results right over here. That's what this one looks like, and this is what this one looks like. I'd have to say that pretty much head to head, they compressed them pretty similarly, which is nice. I wouldn't say there was really a clear winner. Both did a very good job. And this is what it looks like now in the suitcase. So you can see we get like another 4 bags. So you get like 3 or 4 times the amount of stuff in there. Now, in terms of kind of head to head here, for the Wfiia one here, I would say if you're looking for bags, that the biggest differences here are going to be the pump. So the pump is obviously bigger for the Wfiia one. For the nice cone one, it's a little bit smaller and compact. Both of them do come with bags, travel bags, and also chargers and clips for everything. I kind of would say the material on the bags is both nice. I would say the nice one, or the nice whatever tree, maybe a little thicker than this one right over here. So if you're looking for something maybe a little more thicker, the biggest difference between the two of these is how they open. Whether you want it to open up top over here or to the side. Obviously the sizing is different, but you can get all different sizes. I just happen to get the travel pack. For these, you saw the head to head, they pretty much compressed the same like way. I'm super like, I don't really know if there's a noticeable difference here. But again, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. They all come in different sizes, shapes, quantities. Absolutely love these things. We use it for blankets, pillows, all sorts of stuff, and especially travel. I mean, like I said, I get almost 4 times the amount of stuff in this suitcase than I would if I just packed it normally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I hope you find the right travel vacuum bags for you.